ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we will take up a new topic which would be traits of a native as per their sign or Rashi with respect to their physical appearance, mental tendencies, love and marriage, health, personality, cautions required, finances, professions and their domestic environment. We'll do all this in a very simple and easy way which even a person who is not very much familiar with Vedic astrology would understand quite easily. Also friends, if you like my video, then at the end of it, please do comment on it, share it, like it and also please do subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start with this interesting topic, astrology the easy way, taking up the next sign or Rashi which would be Scorpio. The lord of Scorpio is Mars and the gemstone would be red coral gemstone. Now the physical appearance for Scorpion natives. Scorpions have good personality, well proportioned body, long and slender hands, stature average, broad face and they have a commanding appearance. Short and curly hair, muscular body, tendency to stoutness, often scare type of face and robust body build. Prominent brows and dusky complexion unless ascendant is aspected by some malefic planets. Now the mental tendencies would be, we can sum up Scorpios as quick, keen, shrewd, critical of penetrating mind. They are very shrewd, critical and of penetrating mind and keen judgment. They are self-reliant, bold and of fixed views, being this a fixed sign. A subtle mind, hard to influence, not easily imposed upon, energetic, courageous and sarcastic. A few are of practical nature, but generally Scorpions are interested in occult, chemical research and in mystery. Self-assertion and extremists have strong likes and dislikes and they have tendency to override and keep others under control. They have intense feeling of emotions blessed with the power of intuition. Also, these people are quite resourceful. They enjoy life from the lowest player to the highest tone. They are impulsive, forceful, have constructive and destructive ability. They can be frugal and economical, unyielding and are self-made natives. They do not want to remain under anybody's control but want to command others. Their domestic life is generally happy. They are good friends but also they are worst enemies. So lifelong friendship for them is not possible. They are violent but of complex moods. Now love and marriage of Scorpions. Scorpions are intense, dynamic, energetic in romance and love but are of complex moods. Unless Scorpions have sympathy, good understanding and steady affection and try to cultivate, they cannot have a pleasant, smooth and life with opposite sex. They cannot tolerate any criticism but provide full comforts to their wife. The wife of Scorpion will be just, honest, sincere and generally lucky. But when 2nd house, 7th house and 11th house are occupied by malefics in Scorpio, difficulties arise in married life. They want compliments and appreciation from their partners but cannot withstand with any criticism. So one should be careful for marrying a Scorpio girl and check that her ascendant should not be afflicted. Now regarding the health of Scorpions, Scorpions denotes generative organs, pelvic bone, bladder, enlargement of prostate gland, testicle and seminal vesicles. Jupiter Mars in Scorpio causes the disease of above body parts when whereas Saturn causes stone in bladder. Sixth house is house of disease, which is Aries for Scorpion ascendant and indicates brain affliction, insomnia, neuralgia and coma. The personality of Scorpion natives. Scorpions cannot remain idle while facing obstacles and hindrances. They are at their best talents and they never surrender but fight till the last end. They have fertile imagination. Scorpio being a watery sign, they are reserved, tenacious, determined and quick-witted. Also, they are alert, forceful and positive. Often Scorpions are blunt, fond of contest and travel. They lose their temper quickly and gets irritated and are highly sexed. Sometimes they get ill repute. They have rational thinking. They hate gossips, loose talks, blackmailing and only concerned with their own worth. They are free, frank, plain, sarcastic, cunning but very true, loyal friends and a faithful friend. Also, they cannot or they do not want to remain under anybody's control but want to command others. Their domestic life is generally happy. They are good friends but also worst enemies. They are violent but they have a good complex moods. Now the caution needed for Scorpion native would be Scorpions should not be sarcastic, they should not be overcritical and also they should control their temper. They should try to avoid secret enmity of the ladies and not be selfish. Be patient and wait for the results of his efforts. It has bad side for Scorpion dominates. They are the master of creating anarchy, lawlessness and destruction as they are social firebands and dangerous to the community if they are bad. They should not fall prey to the habit of drinking. Also, revengeful nature should be avoided. Now, finances for Scorpion natives. Scorpions are lucky in wealth. Also, they gain through speculation, blessed with money, vehicles, wife, business, or good position in service. They are extravagant. Their income will be substantial as they know how to make and earn money. Now the professions for Scorpion native would be Scorpions indicates chemistry, medicines, insurance, maternity departments, also surgeons, chemists, research work, CID, detectives, iron and steel work, military and navy departments. Good and honorable professions will be occupied by Scorpions or would be chosen by Scorpion natives. Now the domestic environment would be your basic nature is to boss over others, so you like the same at the home as well. You cannot lead the life without full of comforts. Spend more than their income. You want to design your home according to your own taste. They face troubles boldly and convert them to your advantage. Scorpions are more successful and happy than others. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it then please do comment on it, share it, like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351 or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।